Hello guys, and welcome back to a new part on the Battlegrounds series. So today will be like a shorter part, but basically we are just going to apply like the different abilities and stuff, and we are essentially going to write the ability handler for today. But yeah, let's just check what we did here. We set the attributes and we set everything here. So this is the apply character stats. So in here we basically do everything character related to our player. So let's go to replicate storage modules and add a module script called ability module. And then we just copy the name, paste it in here. And then we do ability module colon apply or just setup character. This should be like a function, and this would need the player character, not the player's character, but like the selected character. And then in here we basically apply all the things, and also the character info table. Then we don't need the character, we just need the character info table. So then let's go to the server and let's get the module. So we do local ability module is equal to require repeat storage for modules colon wait for child ability module. And then we basically do ability module colon setup character, and then we pass the player and the character table, and then we are set. So this is good. Then in here we do for I is equal to 1 comma character info table. Also I misspelled this here. Character info table dot, and then let's get to the character module. See it dot attack dot moves do, which will essentially do this like for when we have 4 attacks for 4 times. Then we want to get the UI done. I'm gonna just make it very quick. You can make it pretty yourself, but I just have limited time today, so I'm very sorry about this. But we just want to add a screen UI and name this to bottom bar, and then let's get a frame inside and just do it like this. Then I'm going to do the anchor point to 0.5,0 and the position to 0.5,0. Or actually, let me just scale it with my plugin. You can just scale it by yourself. Then let me give this to 2.5 and let me put this to 0.75 and it's down there. So then in here, I'm gonna just make the recursion transfer to 0.5 for now. And then I'm gonna make a new frame and insert it kind of like here to be like the bottom bar, right? And above that there would be like the alt. So I think like this. Then we do 0.5, we do 0.5 here, and then I'm gonna do the scaling again, not the constraints, just scaling it, please. Okay, that's good. So then this would be the buttons. This would be the main, and then make this to this to like 0.2 or 0.8, and then we can add a UI corner inside just to make it a bit acceptable. And then we basically want to add a UI grid layout in here, and we want to make a frame, and we want to set both in the, so this will be named template, and then this will be set to horizontal limit center, and this also center. The centers, and when you have multiple, they just get placed right there. So every single one except one. Let's scale this a bit up. So let's go to cell size to be like, maybe like, I think 120. and 120 is okay. Yeah, it's good. And then the cell padding, we can do like 8 and 8. Okay, I just played for some reason. We can just do 8 and 8. Then we can add a UI corner inside the template. We're just gonna rush this. So then it looks like this. Then we can make it like a UI stroke also. Make it like 3 big. And then make the template like a bit like this. And then we want to add a text label inside. And this would be the ability name. And then we just do background transparency 1 and the size to 1:1. And then we make the text color to white and the text to scaled. And actually I'm gonna make it like the size to like 0.9.9 and then position to 0.5.5 and anchor point also to 0.5.5, that it's in the middle. Then we got a little bit spacing, and this would be the name. And then we also need another one of those, but we want to scale it like a bit down, like here. And this would then be the keybind. And this would be like X, like this. Looks like this. We will obviously make this a bit prettier when I got time in the next episode. But for now, just gotta do it. Also, let me get the keybind maybe up here. I think it's better when it's up here. I think it's better. Yeah, so this is the keybind basically. Then we got the template. We can make this to visible is equal to false. And then we want to pretty much load this. So then let's go to the ability module. And then let's also get the player, which is a player. And then let's get the local player GUI, so player.player GUI. And then we do the local bottom bar is equal to player GUI, bottom bar. Then we do local template or local buttons is equal to bottom bar, main, and the buttons. Then we do local template. It's equal to buttons, templates. And then we do in here, we do local clone is equal to, this should be an E template, clone. Then we do clone.name is equal to character info table dot name. We do clone dot ability name dot text is equal to we just go to character info table dot moves, or is it moveset? I think it's moveset. Yeah, that moveset. Lowercase. Next is with I, like this. And then we do the same thing, and we put the keybinds. It's the same thing for I dot. Also, we should go with I dot ability name, I think. Yeah. And then in here we want to do dot keybinds. like this. So let's try this out. Let's play. Of course, we should actually do it. So then let's go to the ability module and do clone.parent is equal to buttons, and then clone.divisible is equal to true. And let's try this out. So you know button, that's great. The next one with ability name. Oh, I see. So okay, so we want to go to in the config for normal keystrokes. So we basically just want to do, let me just do this. Okay, found the fix. It's essentially pretty easy. So we just want to go here and do for underscore, that was my medal. I think I muted it though. Yeah, for underscore every move. Then we do in I pairs. Then we do this. Then here we can do I. Pretty easy. And then let me see. So we should do, we just do here move dot ability name, and the same thing here, just move dot keybinds. Let's see. Still doesn't work. Table expect got number. Okay, well, let's just do moves. I mean pairs. Pairs. Same issue. Table expect got number. Why is it like this? Let me see. We pass the character info table, which is in here for the character info table. The character table. Let me see what we call the apply character sets here for the character info, which gets this. So we get the character info, and it should do. Should essentially give us this. It should give it those. What moveset? It's a table. Why is it a table though? Like why like, let me just print it. We just do print. Oh, of course. Sorry, that was my bad. We just do moveset. And then we also can do I pairs. Okay, then let's try it out. Still not working. Tail looks like got nil. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm kind of rushing it today because I got to do stuff. So sorry for this. But I just want to get a video out for you. It doesn't work. Like, why isn't it visible? There's no arrows. Why isn't it visible? Let me see. Bottom bar, main, buttons, templates. It's just this. It's just there. Why isn't it creating it? Let me see. So for every move in iPairs character info movesets do click on template to the button. We just let me just print the move here. It's not printing it. Why isn't it printing it? Let me see. Maybe we don't we call it. Why isn't it working though? Set up the character correctly. Let me just do pairs. See if this works. It does. And now, as you can see, it kind of works. So yeah, you get all the different things set up, but we don't want it to display the ults. And so we basically want to do, let me go back to the character module, and in here let me get the order num is equal to 1, copy, paste is equal to 2, paste again, 3, paste again is equal to 4. We don't have to paste it in the alt. We go here and we do clone dot layout order. Where is it? A layout order? It's, yeah, layout order is equal to, then we just do move dot, what did I say? Yeah, autonom, like this. And then we do if move dot, let me see, we got, okay, let me see. So if move dot keybinds is equal to, then let me get the config. Is equal to, and then we do config dot normal keystrokes dot alt. Then we just do continue. And then it should just create those 4 buttons. It does. And for the alt, then we have to display it up here. But yeah, I think we're going to do this in the next episode then. So for now, this seems pretty good. We got all the different things right there. We could trigger. Just have to set up the ability casting in the next, like not casting, but like pressing it. It's very good. So now we got the ability set up, which would work. Also, I just found out that we have to put a button set template actually. So let's put a text button, and we are going to name it click or activate. We make the background transparency to 1. We make the Z index to like 5, and we make the size to 1, and we make the text to nothing. Then we also should be able to press them. Yes, we can. This is quite good. Then let me also just like make the buttons bar not visible anymore. Then we just got the buttons there. And when we switch the character, okay, we should clear this up then. So let's go to the character module. And we just want to write the function ability module called cleanup. And then we just player. And then we do, let's just get this 2. And then we do for every, we do item in buttons called gets just player get children do. Then we do if item.name is equal to template, then continue. Or item colon is a, we say UI grid layout, then we continue, and else we just do item colon destroy. See this, so we got a clean up here, and then the character module where we on the sub actually in here we just do ability module colon cleanup player, and then we do task dot delay like 0.2, and then we can set up the character. Okay, function no thread expected. Oh, of course. Sorry, I meant to do test await. What's my bad? Okay, now let's see. Cleans us up and then puts us. Then if we switch, we get all the different things, which is quite good. So this is basically everything for this episode today. In the next episode, we're going to do the old bar displaying up here with like percentages, and we will be able to click the moves or press them in our keybinds. And yeah, that's going to be the next episode. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for this short episode, but yeah, and see you in the next video.